Hello guys, and welcome to this bot session. Today we're gonna go through the bots that we already have. It's been a quiet week, so it's the chart for the dot bot we set up. We had one good trade, and the second one, the current one, we're a little bit negative on it. As you see here, we're 5% down. So hopefully we get a little push up now on the daily open soon. And you see, last one, it went to stop loss, but we had already taken out a little bit, so we ended up with a little bit profit on it. And I have to admit I had some issues with this one because window trading added a new feature this weekend that threw me a curveball. But I managed to sort it out. It's they have like a it doesn't show here, but it's like unlinked trades to window trading. So they pick up the trades that I do manually on the exchange. That means that this dot trade got picked up by my main account, so it dropped out here, so I had to restart it again. But I managed to restart it more or less on the same level that it got cut out, so it's okay. So I want to start with setting up a new layout. To do the spot bots on. And then we need to install the indicator again. And since this is for the bot, we only need AlgoMaster. Need to do a few small adjustments on the indicator as always. Autopilot on. I want this long only. No re-entry, nothing. Yeah. And backtesting we need on. You see, this one gives really good on the 15 minute. It's worth a try. And since it's a test bot, just so that we can see how it works, I don't mind if it goes just like break even, but I'm got high hopes for this. Supra is an interesting token. So we need to run the backtest. We use the replay. Yeah, we wait until a little bit after the start. This is a new token, as you see, so it's Restart. We mark up the trades. Start to the high. Could be interesting to also see that would be a signal to signal. Let's see. Goes a little bit deep. Adjust that one. So that's a losing one. We always have some of those too. Hmm. And also, while I do this, I keep an eye on what's going on the backtest. The hair. It looks good for now. You see this one, when it start moving, it moves fast. See, we have a win rate of a little bit more than 60, and that's really good. And you saw this one as I started from the bottom because the candle was a red candle, so the close is at the bottom. That's important to remember. this is a tricky one to measure out. From there to there. The exit on that one is a little bit tricky because we don't know when it comes. It comes inside this candle, but usually it comes really fast. This one is also you see it's most of the time you have a retrace after the signal. So we need to make sure that the stop loss doesn't trigger that one. There. Yeah, this looks interesting. Twenty, 14, 6, 4. I'm trying to see where to put the TPs on it. We could do like just a quick one, and then 10, 20, 30, and what, 200. Let's look at the bot, how it will look. Since we already have 2 other bots in there, I think we need to use a fixed amount. Start with $50. We can adjust this one as we see fit when we go along, right? Let's see what way. Yeah, we take one at 3%, the first one, just a small one. I'm not sure if that's enough to get over the minimum, but we'll try it. Then 10 and 20. 7, 7. Yeah. That looks good. And 200. Mm, 20. On this one, I want like the most part on the higher. So we take advantage of the moves as much as possible. That's 35. That's 65. Okay. And stop, I'm not 100% sure that we need stop loss on this one. Yeah, I'm thinking we can have a really wide one and then move it to entry after 10%. Because we have stuff like this. And this will be a break-even trade if we don't have anything on it. Or we can do a tight one and this one gets stopped out. We just sit in spot and wait until here. Let's put it at 20 first and then we check back next time. Because 20 is really high. But it's on spot, so it's the same as 7 on a 3x bot. And it's not supposed to hit it. You see, it's not often that it goes there, but when it goes, it's to stop it from losing a lot of the trades, right? So then start at 20 and execute. It's the big ones. It's really, really high. Let's see. Yeah, so it needs 15. That means that it will close itself most of the times. Yeah, I can live with that. Double check that we didn't forget anything. Create. Wait, because we need to copy the text over. Always do manual there. Entry. Exit. This should be good. Good to go. Double check. Everything's right. And create. Yeah, I forgot to rename it. Supra Spotbot. Clean up a little bit the chart for next time. I'm thinking if we should just start it manually because we're basically at the level that we entered, right? That the bot would enter. How does Bitcoin look? Yeah, I think we just make a buy now. See if it's working. Hmm. It did not. Not there, not there. Oh my God. Of course. Now it's working. That reminds me to delete old APYs because we don't need it. And now here you already see it's listed. It's showing here too that we have that one. So you guys have any questions? Just unmute or type in the chat. By the way, I asked the devs to run a backtest on this Suprabot for me. And you see they started with $100 and 25 trades. You will have 165 net profit. That's not bad at all. And I was talking to Stu earlier in the, no, not Stu, in the setup room. Stu Monkey, it was about a 5-minute bot, and I can show you a back test on it. That it looks good until you add in the fees and stuff like that, right? Here is Ape on the 5-minute. It looks decent, looks normal, but Oh my god. If you add in the fees, it's not profitable at all. So it's the lower time frame, like 5 minutes, I would stay away from it unless there is some really good tokens on it. Because the fee and slippage, it takes away all the profit on the coins like that. Okay, so let's check the bot that we're waiting to kick in. This one. If we retrace more down, this will go into a short. And if we bounce now on the daily open in or New York Open, I mean, in an hour and a half, we can go long from above that orange line. But this is a bot I have high hopes for. So and the dot one too is like it borderline stop loss for the second time since it opened, right? It was close last night too. Yeah, I saw a few of you were server muted, so I unmuted you. If there is anyone with questions, just feel free to ask. It's I can explain as good as I can. If not, then I'm just gonna end it here. Okay, guys. Thank you for today, and I'll be back on Wednesday. I think it was, yeah, Wednesday. Yep. Bye bye.